Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add music to your stories. In case you did not know, you can add music to your stories before you post them. So I'll show you guys how to do it in this video. So let's just go to our stories editing page. So right now we're on our stories editor page. So this is a story I want to post, but I want to add music. So I'll just go ahead and click on the stickers icon at the top. All the stickers pop up. Then I'll look for the music sticker, which is here. So all the music comes up. So this is the list of music that Instagram has selected for me, but I can actually browse. If I click on the top right where it says browse, well, I'll just choose from this list. So I'm going with I'm Blessed by Sinach. So I'll click on it. So you can see it has been selected and added for me. As you can see, the lyrics were also added, but I can change the appearance of the lyrics if I want. If I click on this, you can see the lyrics, the appearance has changed to a bigger font. If I click on this, the font changes. If I click on the next one, still it changes. If I click on the next one, it changes again. If I click on this one, you can see the picture and the name of the artist and the name of the song appears. I can leave it like this if I want. If I click on the next one, you can see the cover art for her album actually appears, which I can leave on my story if I want. So I don't want to use that, so I'm going for a font. So I think I'll just select the second one. Then I can still change the color of the lyrics. If you go to the top, you'll see a circle arrow and a circular rainbow with many colors inside. If you click on it, the colors change. Click on it again and see it has changed to blue. Click on it again, it has changed. I think I'll go with this color. In case I don't like this song and I want to choose another artist, where the photo of the artist appears at the top, if you click on it, it takes you back to the music page where you can select any artist you prefer. I think I'm going with Sinach, so I'll just select Sinach. So I've selected Sinach, so I'll just click on done. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the sun. So I'll just click send. And then my story will be posted. So guys, this is how to add from the rising of the music. This is how you can add music to your stories to make them more interesting. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you.